Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about something that has fascinated me almost since I was a child. Why do we experience pleasure? And the simple answer to that is that it goes back to our early evolution. In fact, all animals tend to seek pleasure and avoid pain. And it is the relationship between pain and pleasure which gives us our very raison d'être. In other words, if we didn't seek pleasure and avoid pain, we wouldn't actually have survived. Because if we were the opposite and we sought pain, we would have just laid back when a large predator decided to jump on our backs and choke us or bite the jugular. So it's very important to understand that pleasure has had an extremely important role in our very survival. As you can imagine, when man descended from the trees onto the savannah, and that's why Africa was such a promising place for man to evolve initially, it is because of the avoidance of pain and the seeking of pleasure. In other words, they got pleasure out of eating, so the woman found the food and the man hunted the animals, and they were able to satisfy hunger, and by satisfying their hunger they experienced pleasure. And the same thing applies to procreation. But on the other hand, if an animal came by, they knew that if that animal was a dangerous predator, they better escape. And it was for this reason that pain also had an extremely important action in our evolution.